County in northeastern Georgia, South Central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain has already fallen over the past 24 hours, and an additional 1 to 2 inches will be possible with the incoming storms. Flash flooding along area streams and low-lying areas is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anderson, Hardwell, Homeland Park, Powdersville, Piedmont, Belton, Williamston, Northlake, Pontiac and Pendleton. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. When it is safe to do so, please report floodwaters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks. Now for the official